Hey there, aspiring affiliate marketers. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to skyrocketing your online earnings? Welcome to The Ultimate Guide to Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, where we'll dive deep into the strategies and tactics that will transform you from a novice to a seasoned affiliate marketing pro. Get ready to turn your passion into profit and join me on this exciting journey to affiliate marketing success. Understanding affiliate marketing basics. Affiliate marketing serves as a symbiotic relationship between merchants and affiliates, enabling the latter to earn commissions by promoting products or services. This topic explores the foundational principles behind affiliate marketing, elucidating its mechanics and ecosystem. Beginners learn about the roles of merchants, affiliates, and consumers, and the diverse payment models such as pay-per-sale, pay-per-click, and pay-per-lead. Understanding these basics empowers novices to grasp the essence of affiliate marketing, laying a solid groundwork for their journey into this dynamic and lucrative realm of online marketing. Choosing profitable niches and products. Selecting lucrative niches and products is pivotal for success in affiliate marketing. This topic guides beginners through the process of niche and product research, emphasizing factors like market demand, competition analysis, and profit potential. By exploring effective research strategies, novices learn to identify untapped niches with high-demand products, aligning with their interests and expertise. Understanding the significance of selecting the right niche and product lays a strong foundation for building a profitable affiliate marketing business. With this knowledge, beginners can make informed decisions and embark on their journey towards generating passive income through affiliate partnerships. Building a successful affiliate website or blog. Creating an effective affiliate website or blog is essential for attracting and engaging audiences, ultimately driving affiliate sales. This topic delves into the key steps involved in setting up a compelling online platform for affiliate marketing endeavors. Beginners learn about domain selection, hosting considerations, and website design principles aimed at enhancing user experience. Additionally, they explore content creation strategies, including SEO optimization and the strategic placement of affiliate links. By mastering these elements, novices can establish a professional and trustworthy online presence, positioning themselves for success in the competitive affiliate marketing landscape. Effective affiliate marketing strategies and techniques. This topic delves into a diverse array of strategies and techniques aimed at maximizing affiliate marketing success. Beginners explore content marketing approaches, learning to create valuable and engaging content that resonates with their target audience. Additionally, they discover email marketing tactics to nurture relationships with subscribers and promote affiliate products effectively. Social media promotion strategies are also covered, emphasizing platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube for audience engagement and traffic generation. Furthermore, novices learn about influencer partnerships and search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to boost their affiliate marketing efforts. Mastering these strategies empowers beginners to drive traffic, increase conversions, and ultimately maximize their affiliate earnings. Measuring and optimizing affiliate marketing performance. This topic equips beginners with the tools and knowledge needed to measure and optimize the performance of their affiliate marketing endeavors. Novices learn to track key performance metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and revenue generated. They explore various analytics tools and platforms to gain insights into audience behavior and campaign effectiveness. Additionally, split testing strategies are covered to identify the most impactful marketing approaches. With a focus on continuous improvement, beginners discover techniques for optimizing landing pages, content, and promotional strategies to enhance conversion rates and maximize return on investment (ROI) from their affiliate marketing efforts. Thanks for tuning in to The Ultimate Guide to Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable tips and insights. Remember, your journey to affiliate marketing success is just beginning, so keep learning, experimenting, and taking action. Until next time, happy marketing and see you in the next video!